Hi everyone, I am back. Wouldn't want you guys to think that I don't eat my own food. Now how silly would that be, right? So here's the homemade French toast that I did make. And all I did was added some syrup and whipped cream and bananas. How do you guys like your French toast? Do you just eat it with syrup? Do you just eat it with powdered sugar, butter, strawberries? What do you actually put on yours is what I want to know. Me, I like it with a number of things. This is so good, by the way. If you have made French toast before and you never made it with putting in a splash of flavor and a splash of sugar, you really should try it. It brings out the flavor in the eggs and in the cinnamon. It's just delicious. So yummy. And I just like how the bread is so buttery, you know, and soft. The Texas toast has that thickness in between it. You know, I'm a bread person, so I like a lot of bread. It's just so good. I had some strawberries, but the strawberries were actually bad, so I had to throw them out. And I actually just bought the strawberries, not even a week ago, maybe over the weekend. I have to figure out a way, if there's a way for us to preserve strawberries a little bit longer, because for some reason they're going really bad really fast, and they're not cheap. The whipped cream is so fluffy, and it's very, very good. So yeah, try you some Tanya's French toast with some homemade little spin on it with some bananas. This is my breakfast, so this probably gonna fill me up. Well, this is my late lunch, okay? Well, I made it for breakfast, but I'm actually eating it now, so I'm eating it for lunch. So this will fill me up for a while. I'm not too sure yet what we're gonna having for dinner. I did take out some steak, because I was thinking about making some pepper steak and rice, but I don't know if I want to do that. But that's the only thing I took out of the freezer, so I probably should do a pepper steak and rice. What are you guys going to eat today? What did you have for breakfast or lunch? Or what are you guys going to have for dinner? Give me some ideas. I do have leftover chicken too. We had chicken yesterday. I probably could make a chicken salad or something to go with the leftover chicken. Because chicken is always good. But this is really yummy. So I plan on doing a lot of little quick recipes. I'm bored at home. Being in this quarantine lockdown, there's not a whole lot to do except for to eat and sleep. I don't watch a lot of TV. You know, my TV is off majority of the day. I definitely don't watch the news. And, you know, if it's something of importance, somebody will tell me that, you know, what I need to know. But I'm not really a news person. So I will be, every day, I'm probably going to have a different recipe for you guys to try. Just something that I make, or something that I've made in the past that's really good to me. we had tacos Tuesday. I could have showed you that recipe, but now I'm thinking about it. Oh, I do have that recipe. I'm sorry. I'm going to post that recipe about the tacos. Just some regular ground beef tacos. That's really good. I actually end up making them 2 days in a row because we ate them all up the first day. And when my 4-year-old came back, she wanted some extra, and they were gone. So yeah, I have 4 little slices. I'm doing good. I'm a very slow eater. So this will take me probably an hour to eat. 30, 45 minutes. But very slow. So I hope y'all got time for me. Look at that. I didn't even need the knife. You can cut this bread with a fork. It's so soft. Try it with some yummy bananas. You know what else? Blueberries. Blueberries or raspberries will go very good with French toast. So there goes some fruit options for you. Bananas, strawberry, blueberry, and raspberry. Very, very good. So don't forget to give me some ideas, recipes and stuff of what you guys like to eat, make. We're big on bread. We like a lot of bread in this house. We like a lot of pastas, and we definitely like a lot of seafood. We probably eat seafood maybe once or twice a week. Once a week for sure. We could eat it maybe twice a week. We plan on doing a seafood boil. I'm probably going to do that maybe for Mother's Day, actually. Make some seafood and eat that. That'll be my Mother's Day gift, because what else is there to do? Can't go anywhere. No restaurants are open. Getting pretty full.
Yeah.
So while I'm just talking and having a regular conversation with you guys, make sure to follow us on Instagram at Meet the Parkers Official. See what we're up to in the neighborhood. This was so good. I hate I couldn't share it with you guys, but you guys know have the recipe. So make it for your family. And let me know how you like it. think tomorrow I'm actually going to be making some salmon croquettes. I don't know. A lot of people turn their nose up. They don't like it. Ugh. I love them. I grew up eating them, and I continue to eat them. But I'll probably do a video on some salmon croquettes. And I usually eat mine with rice, eggs, and biscuits. But I'll definitely show you how to make the croquettes. A lot of people think it's too hard or complicated. It's not really. It's really easy. Doesn't take a long time, doesn't take a lot of ingredients. So that's what I'm thinking about doing tomorrow. Do y'all know if the massage parlor ain't open either? I could use a nice massage. My neck is stiff. It really is. But I really appreciate you guys taking the time out to watch me and to see what recipes I have that you can add to your recipe book. So with that being said, I want to thank you. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure to go online and like our page, Meet the Parkers, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Be safe. Bye-bye.